Well, put very, very simply, a cookie is a file that gets downloaded from a website onto your computer, usually when you visit that website. And what it does is it remembers who your computer is, essentially, when you go onto that website another time. It does so completely anonymously, simply assigned to your computer with a unique ID number. And it means that when you go onto websites in the future, loads of nice fancy things can happen, such as it can remember your password, or it can remember the contents of your shopping basket if you're on an e-commerce site. Traditionally, website owners have been under an obligation to provide clear and comprehensive information about their use of cookies to all of their visitors. Now they're under an additional obligation to also gain the consent of each and every visitor to their website before they download cookies onto their machines. As I'm sure everyone is aware, thousands and thousands of websites are in arrangements with advertising networks, and advertisers use cookies in a number of different ways. I'm sure we've all been in a situation where on a Monday we've gone onto a website and we've bought some shoes. On a Tuesday we go onto a completely unconnected website and we see an advert for that shoe retailer on that site. That's through the use of cookies, and that creates the image, the kind of perception that we're being followed around the web without our consent. Hence the requirement for consent in the new law, so we have an opportunity to say no to being followed around the web should we so choose. Well, it's good and it's bad. Web designers haven't been too happy about it, and web owners haven't been too happy about it. They feel that the requirement to gain consent from end users can detract from the overall look and feel of a website due to the use of pop-ups in getting that consent. But of course, when you get some legal advice in tandem with a little bit of tech advice, you can create a solution that works in terms of complying with the law and in terms of creating a good feel for the website as well. So some people think that it's good because it allows you to actually get information about cookies, and also it allows you to make your decision as to whether you want them downloaded onto your machine. So there are two sides to the coin.